Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will see mean and median in real life situation, when to apply mean, when to apply median also. So we have this example. 7 people work in a company, a small technology firm in Seattle. Their salaries over the past year are listed in this table. So salaries are given for employees, and compute the mean salary for this firm and discuss whether it accurately indicates a typical value. Also analyze which measure indicates a typical value. So typical value means best measure of central tendency. So in this case, first we will see data type. So data type as salary is given in a single column, that's why this is X. So this means this is individual type of data. So first we will find arithmetic mean. So to find arithmetic mean, simple formula, X bar equals to summation X divided by N. So we can add all these quantity. So summation of all these quantity is 1196 and 000. This is considered as summation X, and for X bar this quantity 1196 000 divided by number of observation, this is what 7. So X bar for this case is 170,857.14. Now you will see for this value of arithmetic mean, this value X bar exists in this location, means these six values are lesser than this 170,857.14, and one value is greater than this quantity, only this value is greater than this quantity. So in that situation, as 6 values are lesser than this, one value is greater than this, so this is not considered as good measures of central tendency, because good measures of central tendency means central tendency which exists in mid of data. This means as there are 7 values, if 4 values are lesser than this average and 3 values are greater than average, or its reverse, 3 values are lesser than average or 4 values are greater than average, in that situation we can say this X bar is considered as typical measure, or best measure of central tendency, or best value of mean. But in this case this is not like this. In this case we have 6 values, these 6 values are lesser than this quantity but one is greater, so that's why this is not in mid of data. So this is not a typical value. So when we don't have typical value like this, not in center of data, then we will use concept of median. As we have first arithmetic mean, and if this is not in center, then we will focus on median. So we can find median, and this is individual type of data. So first task is arrangement of data. So on arranging this data, you will see first smallest number is, I think, this 40,000. So first number is 40,000, second number is this 65,000, this second number is 65,000, and after that next is this 142 times, or 96,000. So this 96,000 and this 142 times, this 140 is 2 times, and 65, 14 is 2 times, and then this 155,000. So this 155,000, and then you will see this next value as 564 times 0. So first task is arrangement to find median, and middle location. using formula n plus 1 upon 2th term. So total number of terms are 7. So you can put formula 7 plus 1 upon 2th. So you will see this as 4th term of the data. So 4th term means 144,400 represent what? This represent typical measure of data. This means for this case median is typical measure of data, but not mean, because mean is not in center. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel, Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.